Hey everyone, welcome back to MindLab Cosmos. Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer questions. It creates stunning visuals, researches the entire internet in seconds, writes and runs code, and chats with zero filters and maximum humor. That AI is Grok today. I'm counting down the top 5 most powerful things Grok AI can do. And I made every single visual you're about to see with Grok Imagine itself. If you're into AI, tech, or creating content, you're going to love this. Let's dive in, starting with number 5. Number 5. Grok is an insane brainstorming partner. Need video ideas, scripts, thumbnails, or entire channel strategies? Just ask. I literally used Grok to plan this video. It turns vague ideas into full plans in seconds. Perfect for creators like us here at MindLab Cosmos. Number 4. Grok can write, debug, and even run code live math problems, Python scripts, full apps. It handles it all. I've seen it build entire projects step by step, game changer for students, developers, or anyone who wants to build cool stuff fast. Number 3. Real-time research on steroids. Grok searches the web and X instantly, pulls the latest news, analyzes threads, and gives you the truth without fluff. No more outdated answers. It's always up to date. Number 2. Grok actually tells you the truth, even when it's funny or spicy. No corporate filters. It's witty, helpful, and feels like talking to a super smart friend who's also hilarious. That personality makes every conversation fun. And the number 1 thing Grok AI can do, create jaw-dropping images and entire video assets with Grok Imagine. Look at every visual in this video. I generated them all with Grok. You can make consistent characters, thumbnails, backgrounds, even animate them into full videos. This is how I'm building the entire MindLab Cosmos channel visuals from now on. So there you have it. The top 5 mind-blowing things Grok AI can do. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments. If you want me to make a full Grok Imagine tutorial next, smash that like button and subscribe. Turn on notifications so you don't miss the next cosmic drop. Thanks for watching. See you in the next lab experiment. Stay curious.